Saka answer yedu mabudiro inoita ndeaya. Tinenge takuti P is equal to the sine of 360 degrees plus theta iri equal to sine theta. Mukauya first quadrant kunoku ndozvamunowana zviriko. Sine of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to sine theta. Saka izvi zvinofanirwa kuzikanwa. Then the cos of 180 degrees plus theta inenge iri equal to minus cos theta. Remember, ndozviri second quadrant. The cos of 180 degrees minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Like that. Then also, the tan of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to chi? To tan theta. Saka patanyora taka simplify. Ndiyo inenge ichinzi reduction formula. Hazvina basa kuti munoziva kuti inonzi reduction formula here kana kuti inonzi chii. That is immaterial. Chakakosha kuziva zviri kuitika. We have identified kuti 360 degrees plus theta tinoiwana first quadrant, then 180 degrees plus theta tinoiwana mu second quadrant. Ndobva taziva kuti sine of 360 degrees plus theta iri equal to sine theta, then the cos of 180 degrees plus theta is stipulated in the second quadrant iri equal to minus cos theta, and the tan of 360 degrees plus theta is equal to tan theta. That is what we have known. Then tadai, panapa manyorero atazviita tichireplace according to what we discover from the quadrants. We have obeyed the obtaining relationship between sine, cos, and tan. If you look closely, these things are multiplying each other. And if you look in our answer, zvatawana, sine theta minus cos theta and tan theta are also multiplying each other. Then tadai so much. Takungoti P is equal to. Panapa we can multiply sine theta times minus cos theta. Inova minus sine theta cos theta, like that. Then instead of tan theta, we already know that tan theta is equal to chi? Sine theta over cos theta, like that. Masona. Then panapa tikada kusimplify further, cos theta iyi yakutokancelana na cos theta inoi, kureva kuti P inosara iri equal to tina minus sine theta times sine theta, which is minus sine squared theta. Zvatopera. So ndo mawekero tinoita. Handiti ndo mawekero tinoita.